Sayo ka, Dave. Sitting here wasted on moon, this old piano, trying hard to capture the moment of this morning I don't know. 'Cause a bottle of vodka still lodges in my head, and some blonde gave me nothing, think all that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they won't make up me when I'm dead. With an ironclad kiss, I wake up and French kiss the morning. While some marching band keeps on beating in my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love. You mean to me, and the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, step that I take on my way home. Till I'm out of time, or it's hard to get through.
You got burned on that one.
As I see back to you, I just close my eyes. Whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Oh yeah. Come now, what keeper think giving me the hours, no matter I have said. I love so high, think I can. Oh yeah. Yan, aking gitara. Now you close your eyes, I know I'll be thinking about you. While my mistress is calling, standing in her spotlight again. I won't be alone, but you know that I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, so it's you that I die to defend. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight as close as the Holy Ghost and lay you down. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses, but tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost and lay you down a bed of roses.